If you come across a tap that becomes stiff or leaks around the spout, look at the back and you'll see a grub screw. Might be an Allen key, might be a screw. Undo it, lift it out. Or some, you get to the parallel in line with the tap base and pull it out. Take the O-ring off, PTFE underneath, O-ring back on, Vaseline. You're good to go. Always put these on quarter turn, tight with your hand. If you use grips or spanners, simply cross thread them. So you don't want that. Hand tight, then quarter turn with some force. Don't damage the tap. You need these when taking sink taps out. The spouts, and they release the back nut on the tap. That nut. This is the culprit. Cold supply, hot supply. So these O-rings, they stop the supplies mixing and they stop the spout leaking as well. Now it's quite important that these are kept lubricated, because what will happen is a lot of these taps now are on flexibles. So each time you turn it, if it's not lubricated, the whole tap will come loose. So they've got to be lubricated as well. So quick tip now, if they start leaking. Gently prise the O-ring out. If these O-rings are old, just be apprehensive because they could split. Next, O-rings out. Bit of PTFE unlock. That packs that O-ring out again. Slide it back in. Silicone grease. Then that goes back in the tap. So not only is it lubricated, the O-ring is now packed out so it will seal. Helping another plumber out. I've got another top tip for you. Just to keep your drill bits in order, I use pencil cases. So that's got my masonry bits in. That's got my wood bits in. Toolkits don't have to be expensive. This is my soldering box and I absolutely love it. Amazon. It was about 20 quid. This is dead interesting. So this is a house where it's quite old and the gable end has bowed out, causing a lot of movement. So what they've done is, look, those long bolts, they're actually long drill bits. And they've gone from the outside and drilled straight through into the joists. So that secures the outside wall. Isn't that clever?